To wake up. To wake up. Wake up. It's time to get up. To get up. To get up. I hate to get up in the morning. To make bed. To make bed. I make my bed because I don't like mess. To brush teeth. To brush teeth. I never forget to brush my teeth in the morning. To shave. To shave. My husband shaves twice a week. To wash face. To wash face. I wash my face with warm water. To take a shower. To take a shower. I never take a cold shower in the morning. To wash hair. To wash hair. I wash my hair to looking clean and professional. To brush hair. To brush hair.
I brush my hair to make it smooth.
To put on makeup. To put on makeup.
I only put on makeup when I go to a party.
To get dressed. To get dressed.
I get dressed in the morning, very slowly.
To eat breakfast. To eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast at home only on weekends.
To leave house. To leave house. I leave the house before 7 to catch the morning train. To go to work. To go to work. I go to work every day, rain or shine. To go to school. To go to school. Kids always go to school with a smile on their face. To take the train. To take the train. I take the train to work. To take the bus. To take the bus. Our kids take the bus to school. To drive. To drive. My husband drives a car to work. To eat lunch. To eat lunch. I usually eat lunch at noon. To finish work. To finish work. Every day I finish work at 4 o'clock. To cook dinner. To cook dinner. My husband and I cook dinner together. To eat dinner. To eat dinner. Our family eat dinner together. To take a bath. To take a bath.
I love to take a bath after a long day.
To go to bed. To go to bed. I go to bed before midnight. To sleep. To sleep. I sleep at least 7 hours every day.